Welcome back, everyone. Today we're looking into a crucial topic for any business, the budget. A budget is more than just a tool for cutting costs. It is a financial plan that helps guide your business toward success. It calculates your expected revenue, expenses, and cash flow, serving as a roadmap to manage your money effectively and keep operations running smoothly. Let's explore the budget and check why it's so important for businesses. So, in simple terms, a budget is a financial plan that outlines where your money comes from and where it's going over a period, typically a year. Like you wouldn't set out on a trip without a map. Businesses cannot succeed without a budget. It helps allocate resources efficiently, ensuring every penny is used wisely to achieve your goals. There are several types of budgets. The operating budget focuses on day-to-day income and expenses. Then there's the capital budget. It covers long-term investments like buying property or equipment. The cash flow budget keeps track of when money is coming in and going out to ensure you have enough cash to meet obligations. And the master budget rolls all these different budgets into one comprehensive financial plan for the business. Why is having a budget so important? The major thing is that it gives you financial control. A budget acts as a financial guardrail, setting spending limits so you do not overspend. It keeps your businesses on track, ensuring that your resources are allocated where they are needed most. A budget also helps with goal setting and planning. Every business needs to plan, and a budget forces you to think about your financial goals. If you aim to increase revenue, reduce costs, or expand into new markets, a budget helps you focus on both short-term and long-term objectives. Resource allocation is another key benefit of having a budget. No business has unlimited resources, and a budget helps you prioritize where to invest your time, money, and personnel. It ensures that your projects get the funding they need to grow. A budget also makes it easier to monitor performance. Once you have your financial plan in place, you can compare your actual results to what you've budgeted. If there is a gap, known as a variance, between your plan and actual results, you can make adjustments to get back on track. Budgets also play a key role in risk management. Businesses face unexpected challenges all the time, from market fluctuations to sudden expenses. A well-prepared budget helps you anticipate these risks by setting aside funds for emergencies. When it comes to decision making, a budget is your best friend. It provides you with the financial data you need to make informed choices. Whether it is hiring new staff or investing in equipment, a budget lets you know what is financially feasible. Profitability and cost control are closely linked to having a budget. A budget sets revenue targets and limits on expenses, which helps improve profit margins. For businesses seeking outside investment, a solid budget is a must. Investors and lenders want to see that you have the best financial plan. A well-managed budget shows that you can handle your finances responsibly. Budgets also help with tax and regulatory compliance. They ensure you've set aside the necessary funds for tax obligations and help you stay on top of financial regulations. So, budgets are essential for managing your business's financial health. If you want to strengthen your budgeting skills, courses like CMA US can help you master these important tools. The Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya is the leading learning provider of CMA US in India. Join us and become a pro in budgeting and other finance skills. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful videos.